Hey there, I'm Sandra Lett, and I'm so happy to be teaching you on a video today how to use counterculture resin. I have been using it for quite some time and I'm quite in love with it, and so I just wanted to show you what you can start out with as a beginner and have great results. So I would recommend buying at least a 16-ounce size, and with making successful resin you need exact amounts of resin of equal parts by volume, not by weight. So that means if you're going to mix 10 ounces of resin, then you need 5 ounces of each part. And so you measure it by volume, not by the weight. You can start with this size. It's a great size. This will make you several sets of coasters. It would make at least 4 sets of 4 coasters if you're starting and you're wanting to know how much to make. I go for the big stuff. And this is my all-time favorite. It is the medium viscosity artist resin. It is the bomb for making coasters and resin trays and freeform pieces. It sets up fairly quickly. You usually have about a 30 to 40 minute working time. You can unmold usually within 8 hours, and it cures and sets up in a very quick period. So it is my all-time favorite resin of choice to use. It's also heat resistant to 500 degrees, and that's very important for those of you making coasters. So let's get started.